Before the skyscrapers, before the highways, this land had a name. This is their story. And the people who called it home had been here for over 15,000 years. This is their story. This is the first American. We call them Native Americans, or Indigenous peoples, or First Nations, but they never called themselves by one name, because they were never just one people. There were over 500 distinct tribes, each with their own language, their own traditions, their own way of seeing the world. The Lakota on the Great Plains, the Cherokee in the southeastern forests, the Navajo in the desert, the Iroquois in the northeast. They built cities before Europe did. They farmed land that others thought was wild. They read the stars, told stories through generations, and lived in harmony with nature. Then, in 1492, everything changed. Christopher Columbus arrived on these shores. He thought he had found India. He hadn't. But what followed his arrival was something the world had never seen before. European settlers came, first in hundreds, then in thousands, then in millions. They brought with them ambition, religion, and weapons, and something even more deadly: disease, smallpox, measles, influenza. The Native Americans had no immunity. Entire villages were wiped out, not in wars, but in silence. Imagine a field once full of life. Then one by one, they were gone. Not from war, not from battle. That is what survival looked like. There are moments in history when a single decision changes thousands of lives forever. Everything will be different. They did not leave because they wanted to. They left because they had no choice. They called it the Trail of Tears. It was not a battle. It was simply a march into grief, and the world watched in silence. But they did not bow their heads. They stood, they fought, because this land was written in their blood. Geronimo and Entrazy Horse, names that still echo was not because they won every battle, but because they never stopped that lives in the blood. Today, nearly 3 million Native Americans live across this country. They are artists, leaders,
fighting with pride, not anger, to reclaim what was taken. To reclaim what was taken.